Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host, and today is a Mystery Box Monday, and the reason that it is being posted a little bit later than usual is that I was waiting for my Hobbii bags to come because I knew that they were going to come today and I wanted to open Hobbii bags for Mystery Box Monday today. So we are going to be opening 2 of their lucky bag cake yarns, okay? And here's the deal. I made 2 purchases about a week or so apart, and I got my first one, but I haven't opened it yet, and then I got my second one today. And first off, I just want to know what change there has been since the last time I got one of these bags, because it's been a while. And second, I wanted to know if how close ordering them together was going to affect what I got. Because, for example, if I order it on the same order, if I order 2 of them, then I will almost always get the same bag. But I was wondering, well, if I order one week and another the second week, then I wonder how that'll affect things. And I mean, I didn't just go out doing that or anything. I went out thinking I had everything in that I wanted to order in one, and then they put a sale on something else, and so I was like, ooh, and then I went and ordered another one, just put another one in there, okay? So I just didn't want you guys to think that I was like, oh, I would love to spend more money to do this experiment, you know. It was more like I found something that I like. Before I open the mystery bags, because this isn't going to take very long, I wanted to show you a couple of the items that I did get. Now, these aren't all the items I got, but these are the ones that I thought would be most interesting to you guys. So the first one is Hobbii has a kind of yarn called Butterfly. A lot of you guys probably really like it. And this one's called Copper. And I just love all these colors in it. So it's got this like wine red on the outside. Or maybe like an autumnal red. And then all of these are just different levels of October. You know what I mean? I love it. I love this. I think it's so beautiful. So I just wanted to show off the yarn that I got. I also got another butterfly one, but I'm currently making a shawl out of it. And then something that came in the mail today is the twisters. Now, this is a Hobbii brand, so it's not a Cotton King. It's a Hobbii brand, but they have, like, it. First off, it has a pull-out tail. I got 2 of them because I was thinking, oh man, it would be so pretty to make a winter blanket out of this, but to have it a little bit more lightweight, and I thought it would be great to start with the dark and go to the light, of course, for the first half, and then for the second half start at the light and go to the dark. That way it would create a gradient like that. I don't know. I thought it was a good idea. We'll see how it works out, and of course when I finish it I will share it with you guys either in my community tab or on a works in progress video. So there's just a couple of other things to address, and then we'll open these bags. So the first one is, yes, I'm wearing my PJs, okay? And you know, I styled my hair as best I could. I wanted to look like an 80s rock star, and I don't think I pulled it off, but maybe I'm gonna start a trend, okay? Maybe. I'm such a nerd. Oh my goodness. Okay, so maybe I can set a trend in ridiculous hairstyles and everybody will love it. But second, I'm wearing my PJs. You probably just heard me like make a weird noise on the microphone because I accidentally touched my lapel mic. But yeah, I'm wearing my PJs today. Obviously, it wasn't because I was too lazy to like put on makeup and do my hair or anything like that. I just decided today I'm going to wear something very lightweight. I'm going to wear this very lightweight cotton Victorian-esque nightie, and it's a PJ day here at the house, and why not? You know? So I know I could have switched into a nicer clothing, but I was like, I'm gonna be me. I'm gonna be 100% me. So that's what you guys get. Okay, I just had to cut a little bit. Obviously, I don't really know what to do with these bags, where to put them. Because this is so weird. But I had to cut because I put something in my eye, and I'm not crying, but there's something that just got into it. Maybe it was my bangs, actually, now that I think about it. And as a result, my eyes were going crazy. You know what? I'm having a great day today, and we are going to open these cake bags now. I'm not going to delay. That's what you guys came here for, okay? So I'm cutting open the first one, cutting open the second one, and I can tell already they are different. Okay, I'm back. I took care of my eye, hopefully. So I want to open this one because it has those Cotton King Sultan shadows in it. Oh, I love this color. You know what's weird? I recently sent out this color in a mystery box on my Etsy store, and I was like, ooh, I was saving this. I was saving this for somebody, and I was like, ooh, I bet this would go really well in this particular order, right? And then I would I thought about it later, and I was like, man, that was such a pretty color. I wonder if I'll ever get one again. And here I have another one, so that's cool. I do want to, full disclosure, I already have one. I had two, and I sent one in mystery box. So I was just wondering if I would ever get lucky enough to get this color again, because I think it's so pretty, that green. Now here is where I'm going to probably differ with a lot of you guys, in that I also got this beautiful yellow, okay? I think this is so pretty, and some people don't like yellow. I don't know what's wrong with them. You guys are fine. Some people don't like them. And what I think is really cool about this one, though, is that it starts out bright, and then it gets a little bit darker, and then it goes to blue, a dark blue, before it goes to green, to black. So I think that is kind of cool. I think that's cool. I don't know if that's like a flag or if it's just the way they made this particular color. I do know that yellow and navy blue are kind of famous for going well together. So yeah. And my eye is just tearing up. I know it's my hair poking it, right? Okay, so here's another color that maybe not a whole lot of you guys would like, but I love. It's not as bright as a yellow. I just wanted to kind of show you that so that we could compare it, and you could see how it's like this autumnal. Oh, I just want to call it rust. Like, this is a good autumnal green. So if you look at them together, that looks really pretty together. You guys, please let me know if you like these colors, like the rust, if you like the yellow, because I've often, I have a bunch of these, and I've thought to put them in my mystery bags, but I haven't taken the chance to do that because I don't know if these are very popular enough colors that people would like them. So let me know, and they'll start showing up in mystery boxes if you say yes. So we have a good grayscale one here, and I love it. I just love it. I can't say enough about it. I love that I got these Cotton King Sultan shadows, or I think that's what they're called, right? And I love it. Some people don't like these. Some people like the big ones, like the ones I showed at the beginning that was a Hobbii twist. But these Cotton Kings, this Sultan shadow, there's something like 875 yards in them. They make perfect sizes for shawls. They're beautiful, they're gorgeous, and I love them. I can't get enough of them. So now we are going to look into the other box, and it's really cool because this has the same kind of thing, only it's pastel. Okay, so these are called Cotton King Pastelo. I'm not quite certain what each one of these are, what they're called, but this one is in a sort of coral color. Okay, so let's kind of compare it to this one. Okay, so I would compare these two as in this is a shadow and this is a pastel. Okay, so obviously it ends in white, whereas this one ends in black, but they both are made of the same material. They're about the same size. I think they are the same size as far as their weight and how much yards you get. It's just that when it's dark, and when it's light, it's pastel. So I think that that's kind of cool. Here's another Pastelo here. And this has some neon green in it, and we will compare that to the Sultan Shadow. I mean, they're both beautiful. I personally don't like neon green that much, but I think they're beautiful. Maybe I'll put this in a neon green giveaway because you guys have been telling me, oh yeah, I'll take that neon green. So maybe I'll do a neon green giveaway soon, and all of that. But I just wanted to kind of compare them so you guys could see that this is a pastel and this is the shadow. All right, and these are available on Hobbii. Okay, so the other two colors I can't really compare to the others. So I have another one that's like this kind of orchid rose type color. It's almost like a jewel tone pink here with this orchid. It would go real well with like maybe turquoise, you know, that kind of thing. I might not be a very good judge of what it would go with, actually. But again, same thing. These are the Cotton Kings Pastelos, and this one is in this beautiful pink color, and I just love it. And then the last one is, oh, look at that blue. Isn't that perfect? That is so beautiful. It looks like an ocean. And then it's almost like it's an ocean with this part right here, like the crest of the waves. It is just so, so beautiful. I just love it. It's beautiful, isn't it? So that said, I'm really interested. If you were to order a mystery box from me and you said, for example, like if you said surprise me and everything like that, would you mind getting colors like this? Or even like this, you know? Or would you rather me save these for maybe like this could go in an earth tone one, for example. I have a fall one that could go in. This one could go in a brights one. But basically, if you ordered a mystery bag for me and I put colors like these in them, would you like that, or would you rather not get colors like that? Just doing some research. Okay, so I really like these. I'm wondering, what is your favorite color too? I mean, you don't have to leave a comment if you don't want to, but like I'm wondering, like, what are your favorite colors? I think this is my favorite color for the dark one, and it's really hard for me to pick between these two for the lighter ones. I think I'm gonna go with this one just because of the imagery with that metaphor I talked about. Please don't say anything about my hair unless it's nice. And just know, I know that it's weird, okay? I know. I just went with it. I do not have any talent that I am aware of in styling my hair, anything like that. But my personality pulls it off. At least that's what I tell myself. And I just wanted to do something, and I'm like kind of learning my straight iron again and all of that, because I haven't used it in several years, so just bear with me with the hair, okay? That said, thank you so much for joining me for Mystery Box Monday. As always, it's one of my favorite days of the week, and I know it's one of yours. And I will see you soon in another video. I want to mention that if this week has a kind of theme, it's going to be like back to school. I'm going to be teaching you how to make some things that would be appropriate to make for kids in anticipation of them going back to school. So kind of keep that in mind with the content I put out. I have something to review. I have a couple of things to review, products to review. Well, it's not going to be this week, but on August 1st, I'm going to be posting another giveaway, so keep that in mind. Alrighty, so that said, I will see you soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, turn on that notification bell because I do giveaways. I think I've covered it all. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, I'm sure. Bye for now.